students, today in Science Made Easy our topic is the reproduction. And as we all know that the reproduction is one of the vital activity of living organism or living things only. Here reproduction as it is a capability of the organism to produce the other organism of its own kind. It may be through the asexual means or through the sexual means. Here is a differentiation between the asexual and the sexual. In case of asexual reproduction, there is no production of gametes or the sex cells, while in case of the sexual reproduction, there is the production of sex cells or gametes. Further, we can categorize the asexual reproduction under several categories like the fission, the fragmentation, the budding, regeneration, spore formation and vegetative reproduction. In some books, we find vegetative reproduction as the third mean of reproduction, while here we took this under the category of the asexual reproduction. Further, in case of fission, when the organism divides itself to produce its offspring, it may be through if the organism divides itself into two equal parts, that is known as the binary fission, which is found in case of the amoeba, while here is a possibility that organism divide itself into multiple parts as it is found in the plasmodium. Then there is the other mean, that is the fragmentation. This type of division, when the organism convert itself into certain fragments and the other fragment convert into the new offspring, this is found in the sea anemone. While the next one, that is the budding, which is also known as the other mean of reproduction or asexual reproduction, in which the organism produce or generate a kind of outgrowth which is known as bud, and the bud may be the external or the internal. External kind of bud may be found, external kind of bud is formed in the hydra. As we can see, a kind of this is a kind of hydra, and hydra generate a kind of outgrowth which later cuts off and then generate another complete organism. Then this bud may be the internal, as it is found in the spongilla. The next type, that is the regeneration. It is one of the characteristic of hydra, and here the hydra can regenerate from the other or from the subdivisions of itself and convert into a complete organism. Then comes the next type, that is the spore formation, which can be seen in case of the penicillium. Penicillium is a kind of fungi. In this case, the spores are formed and the spores further form into a complete new penicillium. Then comes the last one type of the asexual reproduction, that is the vegetative reproduction. Now, the vegetative reproduction may be of natural nature or may be the artificial in nature. Natural vegetative reproduction may be found in case of the potato, while the artificial, we can subdivide this under four categories given, like the cutting, the grafting, the layering and the tissue culture. Cutting, as we refer this example, that is a rose, and in grafting like mango, and in layering like the jasmine, and in tissue culture like the dahlia. So this is all about the reproduction and its various kinds on the basis of the production. First of all, the production of the germ spore or not. Then further we have subcategorized the asexual kind of reproduction. In sexual reproduction, we will discuss this topic about the sexual reproduction and the various characteristics and various stages among sexual reproduction in our later succeeding video. So thank you for watching, and please like our video, and if you like our video, please subscribe our channel.